Have you ever found yourself wondering, why is this subject of money so complicated? Then, welcome to Personal Finance Mastery channel, your guide to you mastering your personal finances. You see, my friend, if you're like most people I know, you agree with me that managing money can feel very overwhelming sometimes. But does it really have to be that way? So for me, with decades of being in the financial space and managing funds in several different industries, I've come to realize what all these have in common. Money. Money is actually the common denominator. Whether for you it's about how to make more money or how to increase the money that you've made, making those smart investment decisions, or for you it's about how to create a lasting legacy that outlives you. Each of these goals come with its own unique set of challenges. Why then is it this subject of money, as interesting and important as it is, why is it not being taught at schools? If you do not like the answer that you get each time that question pops up, then why not join me? Let's go on this journey of unveiling and mastering money together. This channel is just for you. It's about simplifying the complexities that surrounds this subject matter of money, and then how you can be empowered to make the right money decisions for your fulfilled financial future, so that you also can live life in your own terms. Join me as we explore ways and means by which you can increase your income, make those smart investment decisions that helps you to preserve your wealth, so you also can create intergenerational wealth for those that are looking up to you. Why don't you take charge today? Subscribe and click the notification button on this channel, that each time we release new videos, you'll be among the first that will get notified. Then you can also follow us across social media platforms for more tips and insights on these money subjects. Join us. Let's take charge and master and win this money game together. Cheers, and see you at the top.